All right, well, we are back here again in Michael's garage, and we're doing something different. Now, as you can tell, my JCW is in here, and as you also know, I have a tendency to change my mind on wheels quite frequently. So, we've test fitted these now, what, like 10 times?
At least 3.
At least 3, okay. So these are New Speed RSE05s, and if they look familiar, I have had these on a car before. My 2017 Cooper S with JCW tuning kit had these exact wheels on it, and the reason I liked them so much is because they reminded me of the racing team. Well, I've test fitted them numerous times on this car, and they always looked pretty good, but I've been curious about how they fit now that the car has been set up and aligned better and all that good stuff, because I'm thinking of getting these still. Now, I don't know if the Michelin tires that typically come with these wheels will fit perfectly, but the Hankooks do fit nicely. We'll see what happens. But in the meantime, we're gonna test fit these on the car. So the first thing is we have to lift the car up, and we don't have enough people to do that, so we're gonna have to use a jack. So let's get started. First things first, we gotta pop the center cap off. There's a rabbit. Now let's see if I can find my little popper tool. Oh, I have a torque wrench back here. All right, my popper tool's not back there, which can only mean one thing. I didn't bring it. Let's see if I can pop these loose with this. Oh, hold on. Yeah, that's the right way. No, that's not doing it. Nope, they were clear. Do you have a wheel block, Bo?
I may have one.
There we go. It's almost like I've turned this into an art form. You should put these wheels on your car, look amazing. They'd really kill your range, though. All right. Come on, get out of there. There you go. All right, let's get to the other side and then we'll see how this car looks. All right then, now that we've done that, there's the wheels on the car. So now I just need to take it outside and find a nice spot to get some good photos of it. Maybe that cul-de-sac? All right, so let's see how this looks. Now that we've leveled it out, it looks pretty good actually. Well, I like it. What do you think?
Of course I like it.
Looks like I'm ready to go run on the Circuit of the Americas. Yeah, I think so. This might be the next set of wheels.
I've heard that before.
I know. This just looks kind of cool. I mean, I was a little concerned about the tires sticking out really far, and they really don't as much.
I got a little,
Yeah.
but with purpose.
Yeah. Well, I think that looks pretty good. I'm going to take this car back up to Michael's garage and we will swap my wheels back on. But let me know in the comments below what you think. Do you think these wheels look pretty good on the car? Or do you think I need to stick with the white wheels that I've been running for quite some time? Anyway, thanks for watching. And if you like what you see, check out more content on this channel at the end of this video. And Michael, thanks again.
Anytime.